What's up guys, it's Mike here again, and gonna make another little video, but this time we're gonna focus on the truck. I was lucky enough to partner with a company called Auxito.com. They deal with LED products for your vehicles. It doesn't matter if you're looking for headlights, the whole assembly, just the bulbs, tail lights, whatever. They have your automotive LED needs covered. Make sure you check them out. I'll put a link in the description below. If you use promo code DREAMS, you'll get 15% off your order with them. And so they reached out to me and offered any product off their website for the truck. And I decided that I wanted to go with, I want to change the third brake light up there to an LED. One, it's going to make the cargo bay brighter whenever you're trying to do stuff back here. But the main part is why I wanted to do it is they offer that in a tint. So it's a dark smoke color, and I think they're really offset with the orange, plus the windows being tinted. Like, I wish the tail lights were a little bit darker also. But what made me decide to do that is after getting the Lambo with the orange and the tinted taillights, I thought the truck needed to match. So I got them in the mail today. We're gonna do a little unboxing and then we're gonna get right into the install. Let's open this thing up, see what it looks like. Right. Slide this out. Oh yeah. So it still has the the plastic on it, but man, I think that's gonna look a lot better. So this should just be plug and play, like I said. I mean, install should be pretty easy, hopefully. So in the box, it just comes with the third brake light, which, like I said, is up there, and then also in the box they give you this foam which goes around the edge and acts as your water barrier, so that way you don't get no water down inside the sheet metal where the brake light goes. And before you install the the foam pad for the water barrier, you definitely want to use a little isopropyl alcohol and cotton swab and wipe this down, because inevitably in the manufacturing process there's going to be a little bit of oils and stuff on the product itself. So you're going to want to get that off to make sure you get a good adhesion between the foam and the plastic. All right, so once you have it wiped down with the alcohol, you just remove the center part. This was in the middle of this. You just remove that, and then you take this foam off of the backing and you place it right around the rim of the tail light, like I said, so that way you don't get any leaks in between the tail light and the sheet metal, because you don't want no water getting down in there and rusting you out from the inside. So this is what it should look like. You get your foam pad on there. That's what it looks like. So now you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. You're gonna remove those two screws, and then we'll get that out, and then we'll get your new one installed. The other thing I wanted to say, when you take these out and you put these back in, don't use a drill. Something's gonna happen. You're gonna use that drill, you're gonna over tighten it, and you're gonna crack. This plastic's gonna crack, and you don't wanna do that. So, screwdriver, not a drill. So screws are out. Oh, that just lifted right out. Not a big deal at all. So you should just unplug that white clip right there, and then your new one should plug right in there. And it should be plug and play, just reinstall, and that should be it. So let me see if I can't get this undone. Let's see, set you back down here maybe. Figure out this clip. Yeah, you just press down on the clip. It came out that easy. Like I said, right there, right on that clip, you just press that down and it pulled right out. So we'll get that one, set this one to the side. I'll grab this new one, and so I left the plastic on so that way when we're doing whatever, you don't scratch it. But it should just be plug and play. Plugs right in. Tuck your wires back in, like I said, like this ain't a big deal. But like I said, just tuck your wires in. We'll set this in place, and then before I get that done, I'm going to go in, turn the lights on, and make sure everything works. So make sure you do that, so that way you're not in and out, in and out. All right, so we got her installed, got the screws in. The only thing I did, take this off, satisfying peel there. So what I did, so this originally, when I sent it, it came with these like chrome screws. I went ahead and used the OEM ones just because they're black and they blend in better. I mean, maybe if you had a black truck and you had some chrome accents, maybe these would be, you know, what you're looking for. But since I'm going for the orange and black, kind of the darked out look, I think the black screws look so much better. So there's the install. I mean, it fits pretty good. It looks good. I mean, I need to clean it up a little bit because I got my fingerprints, a little bit of adhesive on there. But look at it, man. It looks good. Instead of having that ugly ass red and white tail light, that blends in so much better. So much better. Look at that. All right, so install, super easy. 2 screws out, unplug, replug, tuck your wires, put the screws in. I mean, that's a dramatic difference. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's here, we'll get the full look there. Yeah, I like it. Now, I'll show you the before and after. I'll put a little montage of pictures before, after, what the lights look, what the OEM lights look like, and then what these look like. And yeah, so if you're interested in this tail light, don't forget Auxito.com, promo code DREAMS will get you 15% off anything on their website. I will put a link in the description below as long as a promo code. Make sure you check them out, Auxito.com. So again, I want to thank Auxito.com for sending us the tail light. Looks good. I like it a lot. The only problem is, now I need taillights. Because now it doesn't match. You guys did this on purpose. I'm gonna need more. So again, link in description to the video, Auxito.com, promo code DREAMS, 15% off any item on their website. Thanks for checking it out. Until next time, see ya.